I know I should probably carry my whole pack out. I don't need everything that's in here. I can always come back. I'm only like 15 minutes away. Alright, so here's the part. We're gonna shut power off. Definitely some bent pins in there. That will allow us to lift it up a little bit. These are disconnected. And just like that. Bam. These strip pretty easy. Totally forgot about these 4 screws. Here's the old one. Really little piece, so we're just gonna go ahead and put these back together. T20 screws. Putting some screws in while we wait. Everybody ready? Button her up. Alright. That's it.